back to another video. So today I am going to talk about how you can build your system so that you can own your own net worth. Now this sounds very crazy, that sounds something vague also, but let me unfold the real challenge of this world to you guys. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a step-by-step process how you can build your own system from the comfort of your homes, and which can help you to make yourself or your YouTube channel, if you are considering, a monetized one. So welcome back to this special video. Let's begin without a further ado. Alright. So today let's start with the very first step. How and what is the need of your own system? First of all, considering yourself. You are a person who is aiming to self-reliant, who is aiming to build something which can generate automatic wealth. You are a person who wants to make next millionaire yourself. You are a person who is aiming really very high. So for this, you need to build a system. And without building a system, ladies and gentlemen, you are never going to reach the top. Unless and until you have a system of a business, a system of a model which works for you like a money generating machine. So how you can start building your own system? First of all, building your system requires skills. That is very primary and the basic thing. Second, it demands dedication, discipline, and persistence. So, now, once you acquire skills and you have dedication and determination, you only need discipline to combine both of them and build your own system, which is going to be a wealth engine for yourself. Your skills acts like your money making engine. Your system acts like your money making machine. So you need to club both of them together and build your own system. So let's dive into this and understand how to do it. So the first very step is to understand or find out your niche. I already made a dedicated video on that. You can just go and search how you can find your own niche, how you can think or aim for it. Once you are very much clear how you can develop your own niche, how you can build the best of best niche, or you can work in something, then it's time for you now to acquire the skills. Once you are acquiring, suppose, let's consider this with a very good example. Let's say you want to build a YouTube channel that shows or that teaches the human society or the people around how to be a better person. That is self-improvement basically. You teach people how to be better, how to do self-improvement. And now the situation comes. How you will tell them that, yes, so you need to build a thinking process. You have to build your script. Like that, you need to study on various other topics and club all the things together. Use your skill, use your critical thinking, use your own creative power and build a system which will be consumed by a person who is near. So now once your system niche is found, your skills are required. Now it's time to finally build your system. Let me give you an example of Shopify. How Shopify started. It was just an idea. It started to users, teaching out them and building a little product for them. Now, what is it is doing the system? This system is working like an engine. Every time you come to the system, you uses the supplies, the sources on the system. You are giving a commission to the party. The things, the consumption you are making, you are giving some cut to the party. Now, with this cut is your system. You just need to find how you can build your system. You just need to grab that loophole. You just need to attract that. And trust me, ladies and gentlemen, once that is found, you are very lucky. It's now time to give your back a tap. After that, you just need to go into the system. You just need to dive down and start creating block by block. You can use different applications for that, like Notion for developing your stage step by step process. You can use Zapier for automation. There are so many tools out there, let me tell you. Using AI, you can build a system. You can build using AI, you can build another tool. So, you just need to understand. You just need to have a lot of knowledge on the things which are there. Read. Reading will give you a great insight on what is happening in the world. Watching will give you an illusion what is happening. Club all these together and build something which is very, very great, which is very, very diversified, which is something new. Find a problem statement and build accordingly. You just need to understand how your problem statement is relatable to most number of people around there. The better the problem statement you find, the better you get. And how to find a problem statement, this is very important to understand this. Let me give you an example. Work on something, like suppose you are understanding how to build a YouTube monetization page. You are going to build a system of YouTube where you are going to supply some videos, and with that videos you are going to pull some cash into your account. So how you are going to do that? You are just going to put some great videos, great content on the social media, and with that people are going to come to you and they are going to understand how this is going to improve my life 360 degree. So now let's work and understand how you can build your own system. Now you know your niche. Now you know your skills. Now you know the problem statement. It's just you, your system, or your computer just sitting in front of you, your large language model AI, which is guiding you how to build the next thing. You just need to do some critical thinking. You just need to find some market gaps. Your problem statement is ready. Your skill is there. Apply your skills, use AI models if you are not very much skilled, and take help of AI, take help of others who are very much skilled. Build your skill and never ever get shy when you want some help from anyone. The amount of help you are going to take from other different people, the better it is your system going to be. So if you want to go a very, very long journey, you need to take a lot of people up with yourselves. If you want to go very fast in your journey, then only you have to go alone. So it's better together. So take group of people who are like-minded, who understands what you are building, and just boom, build it. And that is for you for this video. How you can build your own system, the system, find your own problem statement, use something, and how you can find a problem statement when you are working, when you are acquiring skills, when you are implementing skills, acquiring and implementing gives you some different problems. When you come to these problems, you will build another system, and when you channelize this, you can go into the open market, understand and ask people and reach out them that this problem must be faced by you some or the other time. Now, what you are going to do? Just open that idea, open that system, and bang. Once the system is given to someone, they will use it. Now, secondly, to scale it up, make it a better system. Use help of others, and with that, you can make a better system. Once the better system is built, you just need to monitor your money making machine using your money making engine, that is your skills and your system. So, with that said, build a system, earn your success. Thank you for watching. I will be putting some more videos very soon, how you can get a step forward towards your monetization journey. This journey is not just how you can scale up your YouTube channel. This journey is how you can build your own system, how you can build your own self so much, so great that you are going to be the next entrepreneur, the next person of this planet who is going to make the change. Now, with that said, I would like to end on a note: a man dies, but not his ideas. So be that ambitious. Manas Madhav signing off for today and giving you a thought provoking video and a time to develop a system and understand how you can do that. Thank you for watching.